Guys, welcome back to another video! And I am outside Toyota because I had a recall on my car and I had to get it done before I renew my license. And it's the most annoying thing in the world, but adulting.
This is yours. Oh shit, you know.
And first, coffee! I always get extra excited when I get my coffee because it's my favorite part of the day. Hey guys, I'm back home and I'm gonna be having an bomb breakfast. I'm just kidding, it's pretty disgusting. I'm gonna have an egg white delight, which I'm tracking. Yes, I am still dieting. And a hash brown. And later, I'm probably gonna have a salad because of this meal, but it's all good. Nobody's gonna die. But yeah, I will see you guys when I'm done eating because today we're gonna do something really fun and exciting. Oh my goodness, I forgot an egg white delight has yellow cheese. Now I have to wipe off the cheese because I do not like cheese. Guys. I got ready and I was like about to go have a photo shoot right now. And then they gave me a call that my car was ready. So then I had to go pick up my car. Today is the most annoying day ever and it just made me realize what being an adult really is, and it's not fun. It's not fun at all, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Today is Saturday. I had so much stuff planned, and last night I realized that I have to do all this shit before I mail it out. So not only did I have to go get my car serviced this morning, I also had to go get a money order to mail it in the mail. So 20 minutes later, I'm a little bit more calm because I know I was complaining a lot a few seconds ago, but I'm not really actually I was complaining. Yep, I was complaining because it's just things that are very annoying to do, and I do want to say this was obviously my fault for not getting it done before time and leaving it till last minute. I'm on my way home to pick up my photographer, aka my baby daddy. So yeah, hopefully next time you see me, we're actually behind the scenes of a photo shoot. Let's go. Guys, I have finally arrived. Actually, we already did a few pictures here. Ow! Just in this little area where it's like a lot of greens and like dead plants basically. And I wanted to go for like kind of like a dark, oh wait, where's the lighting? Right here. I wanted to go for like a dark mood, but kind of like in the wilderness kind of thing. So that's why I have like the dark lips, the choker. I have my boots on, and yeah, we already took a few pictures, and so far I am loving them. And obviously I'm gonna be posting those on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me already, go follow me on Instagram so you can check those out when they're up. My photographer over there is looking pretty freaking cute. So I got my pants right here, and I want to say that is a wrap for this photo shoot. Now I have to get back down to the car, and it's pretty far up. It doesn't look far on here, but the car's down there. Feels like it's far AF. Good luck to me. What the heck is going on here? OMG, there was like a major crash over here and that looks crazy. It's just hiding behind this and I wish you guys could see it. Finally home. Netflix is on and I am about to finally eat. The last time I ate was at what, like 9 a.m. and it was at McDonald's meal. But right now I'm about to have a fire lunch. Let me show you. Dang, I made some asada tacos with some sour cream, a little bit of green chili, and the best part, these caramelized onions. Yum. Is your mouth watering yet or no? Bon appetit. Hello, beautiful people. It is the next day and I am outside of Walmart. Why am I outside of Walmart? Because I'm gonna do something really cool and I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. But yeah, it is currently raining here in Cali and it is so beautiful outside. But I decided I'm gonna make this video that I'm gonna tell you guys in a little bit about. But yeah. Okay guys, as you can tell, my hair is pretty freaking wild right now because it is raining outside and I didn't do anything to it. So I'm inside Walmart right now and basically what I'm gonna do is shop at Walmart for clothes. My budget for this whole Walmart clothing haul is gonna be, I'm gonna try so hard to stay around $40 and see how many outfits I could come up with. I am in here right now and it looks like a lot of very casual clothes, but we'll see. I think I'm in the wrong section. We're gonna try to make this happen and in the next video you guys are gonna see me try everything on and create outfits out of it. Let's get shopping. 1, 2, 3, 4 items. I have 4 items and I still don't reach $40. And I am now looking at the clearance section and see what I can find. Mostly of this stuff looks like kind of ugly, so I might not wear this. I'm trying to do outfits that I will actually wear on a regular basis. Like, I'm not trying to get just anything. I'm trying to actually create outfits that I will wear and I will use. Okay, so I want to say Walmart was a okay, I don't want to say it was like super successful, but I did find a few cool things that, like I said, I'm gonna show you guys in the next video. Right now I just came to Vaughn's to get a few things that I'm gonna need to make dinner, but I picked up a scratcher, or my boyfriend actually gave me this scratcher, and so far it looks like every single number is a winner and I'm excited, so I'm gonna scratch it on camera just so I get my reaction. You go 1, 5? Okay, so I'm about to scratch this right now. $2 the first one. $2 the second one. $2 the next one. $2 the next one. And $2. 2, 4, 6, 8, $10 on a $1 scratcher. I think that is a win! I know it's not a lot, but it still gets me excited because it's $10 and I didn't spend anything actually because my boyfriend bought it for me. Love to win.